Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add another DWG file in your AutoCAD. So we are at the moment at this project where there's a drawing number one, if you will, and we want to add some kind of drawing into it from AutoCAD as well. How can we do that? So first of all, I have, I believe, only two drawings in this account. So I'm gonna try and implement this next drawing. How can we do that? On top corner, as you can see in this bar, we have a couple of options. If we want to insert the image, we should go to insert option on top. And then we have the references. So we are going to toy around with Xref. In here, we have the references, and we're gonna click on external references. Opens or closes the external references palette. You can also close it like this. There's a X option in there. In here, as you can see, we have drawing number one, and you have all the details about this drawing. And if you want to add another one, we can easily right click in here and attach DWG. At the moment, I don't really think that I have any DWG. Oh, there is second DWG. And we want to click on it. Now we want to attach external reference. So name drawing number two. If you feel like it's not the one that you need or you misclicked, you can easily attach WG, 1 second, number two. You can browse a different one. Right now, we can specify on screen where this is going to set. X, Y, Z, it's all on one, so it's going to be in your left bottom corner. And insertion, though, we are specifying it on screen. If we go on screen like this with scale, it's going to be 1 to 1. And insertion point, you can go and put it in the back. There's 0, 0, 0s or specify on screen, and I hit OK. So right now, as you can see, this is a new drawing that I want to implement. So right here, I'm not clicking on anything. I'm just picking where I want to put it, and that's the place. Once I put it there, I can implement the new drawing inside of our current file. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.